Hi, I'm David Birch, and welcome back to Take 5. And we're going to take 5 minutes of gentle breathing, and we're going to turn it into some moving meditation too. And the meditative move that we're going to do is very simple. It's called gathering breath. So imagine you're standing in some nice calm water, not too high. You're dipping down with your fingertips, pulling up the water and splashing it over you like a waterfall. And it travels down your body, soothing you, nice warm water, relieving all your stress, relaxing you. So dipping, we inhale, we get up to face level, and we relax the area where our hands are as our hands slowly drop down, relaxing. So breathing in, breathing out. And our hands dropping are going to linger and make our breath, our exhale, twice as long as our inhale. So it would be like inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. And don't count, just let your hands slowly go down. And just breathe out as softly and slowly and as comfortably and enjoyably as you can. Breathing in, arms go up. Breathing out, arms come down. And you may notice that I close my eyes to relax more and more and more as I do this. Inhaling, arms come up. Exhaling, arms float down. Relaxing the part of the body where the hands are. Inhale, exhale, and concentrate on relaxing. Concentrating might be a bad word, just allowing the body to soften and relax. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhale, exhale. On your own, making your in-breath to raising your hands, and the exhale to your hands dropping. Enjoy breathing in and out. Relaxing more and more on each exhale. Exhaling with a gentle sigh of relief, almost like a ha sound, like you're fogging up a mirror. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth softly. Inhaling, arms go up. Exhaling, arms float down. Relaxing, softening the whole body. Inhale and exhale. And this double extended exhale is even better for moving you into rest and digest mode. You might try it an hour before you go to bed to see if it helps you with your sleep. Thanks for joining me. I'm David Birch with Take 5. Repeat as needed.